Is this working? Do I have to have this on?
Yeah, you have to. Okay, got the AC going in here because it's kind of hot. It's starting to cool down. But so, what do you think of the shades?
I love them.
Yeah,
Yes.
you like the look?
It's nice and neat looking. I like how they match the back doors and the side door original ones.
Made by the same company.
Mm-hmm.
So, you want to demonstrate how to open that up?
So you can have it totally closed like this. Or you can unzip that. The only thing I will say, I wish they would have thought of is all of this.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to have a little flap that would keep that right there. Maybe I'll have to think up something. But so you can have it like that, or you can also open it totally up.
And we got the window open already, so it's pretty easy to operate. The Winnebago ones were just, I don't know, kind of janky, and these let no light in. I mean, if I turn the lights off and you fold that up, there is no light coming in. I mean, at night, there's one tiny spot there. Oh, actually, that's not good.
Like a snag. Oh, there's a cut in there.
What are we gonna do about that?
You have to contact them.